Today we have two Akins Ford F-150 covered editions to review, but first, a special surprise because we have a review of our #1 selling F-150 level kit system. Let's go. So it's currently Ford Truck Month, and to pay homage, we decided we're gonna do more covered edition reviews for you, along with the parts that we like to add to our F-150 that makes the driving experience that much better. So first off, we have a look at your Ford rear shock. Not much to see if you're just a normal consumer, as far as you got a nice shock guard there for your steel rod. Overall size, a little bit smaller than we're used to, accustomed to, but this shock is not a bad shock, but just over time, you're gonna see faster wear and not as much comfort or control on the road. So what do we do? Well, here is your up front coilover system. Very similar shock body with a coilover that is not a bad system. The stock F-150 has a great ride quality to it. From any trim level, this truck is going to give you a very plush and smooth ride, one that I feel like is the best in the business. But there's definitely ways that people like to enhance their ride quality or control or comfort while on road, and hence you can either level the truck by putting a spacer, aluminum spacer, on top of your assembly here, which is a very popular option. Our most popular coilover legit way to get better ride quality overall, better on-road and off-road performance, is our Fox 2.0 system. So the 2.0 coilover system, a good comparison next to the stock system. This one comes already from Fox, 2 inches taller overall, so you get a 2-inch level truck, because who doesn't want a leveled truck setup? It just looks more aesthetically pleasing, and overall comfort and visibility to me is improved when you level the truck out. I do like that the body is threaded, so you can compress the spring and adjust this. If you just say you have an F-150 and you want to go back to a ride height setup, where it's downward raked in the front, but you want more control, you want better handling and overall performance both on and off road, this is a great option. An aluminum body here and 2-inch diameter with a steel shaft, and it is an IFP, which means internal floating piston. Internal floating piston in a monotube shock is the way to go in our opinion for heat dispersion and overall ride quality and comfort. So you've got nitrogen on the bottom, and then above you got your fluids there. So a monotube shock is the way to go, and Fox, we've just trusted in their brand for so long. This is the best balance. Now there's other brand companies like Bilstein, Icon, etc. that we love to run as well, but it's all about what you're looking for, and we found that this shock overall gives the best balance as everyday drivability. It improves your control on road while cornering. You don't have as much body roll like you do on the factory setup here. So this shock component here gives you a multifold benefit of leveling the truck 2 inches, but giving you better characteristics and comfort while driving. So you take a phenomenal F-150 Lariat or XLT or Platinum, you install this kit, whether it's ride height or 2 inches, it's fully adjustable, a great benefit. You're going to see many benefits as far as the ride height you choose and the drivability and comfort while on the road and off-road too. Now, certain shocks are going to handle and have mannerisms that are slightly different, slightly better off-road, slightly better while on road, better for heavier vehicles. So we know here at Akins and Willies what shock is going to hook you right up. Now on this kit for our F-150, in the back you've got the Performance Series as well, one of the best shocks on the market. Love the overall feel of this while pulling a load or while riding unloaded. This is going to give you great comfort. Keep in mind these shocks do need to be rebuilt 50 to 60,000 miles typically, so oftentimes it's cheaper just to re-up and replace. But for off-roading purposes, this is a high-performance shock because it's made to handle and keep dirt and debris out from our internals here, which is really what can break down the shock. So our Fox kit is what we got on 2 trucks for you today. Now let's review these 2 beauties. We're going to start with the latest covert, the Agate Black and Carbonized Gray. And I don't know if you saw or not, but we got the ones on today. Cool, you know, had to do more of these type of reviews where we're breaking out and explaining to you why we choose what we do. Now there's many different variations and many different options, but we're here to dissect and show you what's best for you and the individual build, like this black Covert Edition. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Tanner as well, because last time we did one, it sold so fast because of the bold and distinct contrast in just doing not black on black. You see black on black everywhere, and it just kind of gets old after a while, you know what I mean? So up here, up front, we've got the carbonized gray where the chrome was. On the black, did a gate black. Also, this front grille was that pesky gray color, and we just didn't like to mess with that. Had to change into a variation. So we've got our Covert Edition rendition that to me is great for being bold and distinct and different, but also having that premium vibe that just makes you wonder what is going on with this Covert. F-150 and XLT only in carbonized, a gate black on the teardrop. The KMC Technic wheel in that gray finish was kind of what was our choice, because that wheel looks very elegant. Did it on Tim Hall's not too long ago. F-150 on a 4-inch. There's your 2-inch Fox coilover we just reviewed. Love it. So we're sitting 2 inches leveled on a money setup with the Nitto Recon Grappler tire. And look, y'all, this is how we do it. 285, 65, 20. We've ran 295, 60, 20 a lot, and also 35, 11 and a half, 20. So the 285, 65 is just over a 34 and a half. So it's got a nice balance of height and width for a great variation. The KMC Technic is the wheel choice here. It's got a great feel to it overall. Painted emblem, painted grille, side badge, Lumar window tint, WeatherTech floor mats on the inside. You know we're gonna show you this 14th gen, the WeatherTech IM floor mats. Looking great. And I just slapped the window sticker on this one. Stock number PFA 46313. Pause here for all your factory and optional equipment. We'll put the link to the vehicle description below also. So yes, we're 82503, but we have legit components, rear wheel well liners, speedo cowl, our paint package, the level kit, and all the other goodies that we already mentioned. A nice custom FX4 Covert Edition badge in a gray fashion to match on the side. You know, it's all about the details. You don't take care of the details, you're not the real deal. That's all I got to say about that. Outback emblem to match. Boom, with an Akins liner, guaranteed for life. On to the next. We've actually already reviewed this bad carbonized gray F-150 Covert, but just want to do a recap. Leveled on 285, 55, 22. Again, Toyo Open Country RT Trail, so a similar variation. That's a hybrid tire. Over there, the Recon is a all-terrain tire. Same Fox 2.0 level kit in the front with Fox shocks in the back for a perfect balance of great ride quality and handling while on-road and off-road. The carbonized gray, we didn't paint anything on this one and didn't really have to. It would have obviously looked great, but did a Putco light-up emblem in the front and back instead. We're on Fuel Mavericks, but a finish that is, you know, 4 or 5 years old, the matte black finish throughout, and a 22 by 9.5, and that plus 18 offset, plus 20 offset puts you in that sweet spot of being tucked in. It's sticking out still about 1.5 inches, but again, a great stance on 22s and 34.5s, rear wheel well liners. There's your Fox shocks out back. Undercover trifold bed cover and the light-up emblem in the back. Our Covert Edition has been strong for over 5 years now. Ford Truck Month. Come see us at Akins Ford and Willies Custom Accessories in Winder, Georgia. We are your source for everything auto. Now, you've seen us talk about our Covert trucks. Covert Edition simply means that's our level truck category, whether it be a Super Duty, a Ram, need to do more Rams, y'all, a Jeep, a Bronco, any vehicle that we do a level application on and throw on our other standard features, that makes a perfect everyday driver truck for all of our great customers. So we're trying to convenience you by having vehicles ready on the lot, but if you want to come check out a truck here at our dealership, pick it out. We'll do a custom Covert for you because there's no cookie cutter action going on here. It's all about being unique and custom. It's in our name, y'all. So thanks so much for watching F-150, this Fox kit. We've got a great inventory of that as well. So come scoop those up to improve your ride on your F-150, stock or custom. We got you covered. Real deal, out.